no ordinary car. This is a piece of history, a Willys 77 that has been forgotten by time. But today, we're bringing it back to life. Hey there, gearheads. Welcome back to Revamp Cars, where we take rust buckets and turn them into rolling masterpieces. I'm your host, and today's project is something truly special. A Willys 77 Jeep Station Wagon from the late 1940s or early 1950s. It's rugged, iconic, and packed with nostalgia. But as you can see, it needs some serious love. If you've ever wondered what goes into restoring a classic like this, stick around because we're diving deep into the process step by step. Now, here's the challenge. The Willys 77 isn't just any restoration project. It's a puzzle. Parts for these vehicles are rare, and finding replacements can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Plus, the frame is showing signs of rust, the interior looks like it's seen better days, and the engine? Well, let's just say it make restorations so rewarding. So buckle up. We're about to tackle each issue head-on. Step 1. Assessing the damage. We started by stripping down the entire vehicle to its bare bones. Every nut, bolt, and panel came off to evaluate what could be saved and what needed replacing. Next, we sourced original parts through online forums, auctions, and even reached out to collectors. Finding an authentic grille was tough, but after weeks of searching, we finally got our hands on one. The engine rebuild was another beast entirely. With help from our expert mechanic, we overhauled the original flathead 6-cylinder motor, ensuring it runs smoother than ever before. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. After months of hard work, blood, sweat, and maybe a few tears, the Willys 77 is ready to hit the road again. From a pile of scrap to a stunning showpiece, this Willys 77 proves that with passion and perseverance, anything is possible. So there you have it, folks. What started as a forgotten relic is now a testament to automotive craftsmanship. Restoring a Willys 77 isn't easy, but the journey is worth every second. Whether you're a seasoned restorer or just dreaming of your first project, remember, every car has a story waiting to be told. If you enjoyed this restoration journey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Revamp Cars for more incredible transformations. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you have a dream car you'd like to see restored, leave a comment below. We might just feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching.